Get inside. Here we go. Now move him. Good. Circle. Change double now. Hips. Scoop his ankle there. Scoop his ankle with your leg.
Hook his.
Oh, that's quick. That's quick. We're improving.
You're okay.
Connor Henderson, half 12. Connor Henderson, half 12.
Set up your shot. Set it up. Get inside. Get inside. Hit, score. Score off it. Jerk him forward and get him long. Jerk him forward and get him long. Look for the ankle right there. Front quarter hard.
Hard!
Go behind if you can. Go behind if you can.
Get the points, Wade!
Go behind
You gotta
if
get
you
the
can.
points! It's okay.
All right.
Hey, it's okay. Hey, you're good.
Right.
You're good. Don't get mad. Be smart.
All right, get ready for Brawl, boys. He's going to be shooting out some t-shirts. Brawl, boy. You want a shirt, get in the stand. That's where we're going to be shooting them. Connor Henderson, second call, final call, man, 12. Connor Henderson, good.
Drive him forward.
Henderson is a no-show.
Drive him forward. Good. No, go wrist.
Single!
Go
Just do a
wrist.
single!
Now run it. The wrist will come.
Go! Run! Run! Run!
Hey, the wrist will come. There,
Run
go.
it! Run it, Wade! Run it!
Shoulder to the ear. Good. Good, go.
Go! Nice.
Head up. Will you head up?
Table help, our man Chad is working.
Hey, control the arms here. Short time.
Good job, bud. Down. Yeah.
Wade, knee slide and go.
Go, go!
Wade, you move until you're out.
Let's go. Just keep running it. Go. Just keep going.
Knee slide, head up. Build a base.
Build the base.
Now sit. Keep going. Go,
Keep
go,
going,
go, go, go.
Just keep going. Keep going.
Don't stop spinning. Knee slide and stand up. Wade, you got to put two together. Put two together right
Keep
there.
going! Keep going! Get.
Now stand up. Don't reach
Don't.
back. Head up. He's doing the same thing. He's talking about. He can get out.
Wade, get another. We need points, bud.
Head up.
Bet.
Head up.
Hey, there's nothing holding you down but you.
Stop.
You're okay.
Hey, get out right here.
Once again, coaches and wrestling parents, we need to keep the middle areas around the table clear. If you're on deck or in the hole, people to the side. Two coaches to a corner in the chairs.